My daily routine. I believe that a well structured routine lays the foundation for a productive and fulfilling life. Here's a glimpse into my daily routine. Morning, 5:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. I start my day at 5:30 a.m. with a refreshing glass of warm water to kickstart my metabolism. After that, I spend 15 minutes doing mindfulness meditation to set a positive tone for the day. Following meditation, I engage in a 30-minute workout session, which usually includes a mix of yoga, stretching, and light cardio to energize my body. After my workout, I take a shower and enjoy a wholesome breakfast, typically consisting of fruits, eggs, and whole grain bread. During breakfast, I like to read the news or listen to an inspiring podcast to stay informed and motivated. By 8 a.m., I plan my day by prioritizing tasks in a journal, ensuring I am prepared for the challenges ahead. Daytime, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. At 9 a.m., I begin my work or studies, depending on the day. During this time, I focus on completing important tasks, such as attending lectures, working on projects, or fulfilling job responsibilities. I follow the Pomodoro technique, working in 25-minute intervals with 5-minute breaks to maintain productivity. Around 1 p.m., I take a lunch break, enjoying a balanced meal that includes vegetables, protein, and carbs. After lunch, I spend 15 minutes taking a short walk to refresh my mind. The afternoon is dedicated to deeper work, such as research, brainstorming, or attending meetings. By 4 p.m., I allow myself a quick tea or coffee break, often paired with a light snack. Evening, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., I conclude my work or studies by 6 p.m. and shift my focus to personal growth and relaxation. I spend an hour engaging in hobbies like reading, playing an instrument, or learning something new online. Dinner is served at 7:30 p.m., and I make it a point to enjoy this meal with my family or friends, cherishing quality conversations. Post dinner, I take a leisurely 20-minute walk, which aids digestion and offers a peaceful end to the day. Night, 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Around 9 p.m., I review my day, reflecting on achievements and areas for improvement. I then spend time preparing for the next day, organizing my workspace and setting goals. Finally, I indulge in 30 minutes of reading a book before heading to bed at 10:30 p.m., ensuring a restful sleep of about 7 hours. This routine keeps me balanced, productive, and constantly growing.